So we are on page number 46, question number 7, exercise part, and I am teaching you to balance those equations because they are very important from examination point of view. Step, what is the question saying? Let me repeat. Balance the following equations stepwise. Look here. Look here. Now what we are going to do is we are going to select this second equation, sulfur dioxide in gaseous form, hydrogen sulfide in aqueous form, giving rise to sulfur which is in solid form, water which is in liquid form. That's it. Come on. Step 1. Element in reactant in product. Which are the elements? Sulfur, oxygen, hydrogen. In reactant, sulfur how many? 1, 2. In product, 1. Oxygen, 2. In product, 1. Hydrogen, 2. In product, 2. So what needs to be balanced? Sulfur and oxygen. Step 2. Number of oxygen atoms initially to balance. This is how you write the reaction here. In reactant, in product. Okay. Number of oxygen atom initially in reactant, how much it is? 2. In product it is 1. To balance, 2 will be written here. In product you are going to multiply it by 2. Are you okay? To balance it. Are you okay? Therefore, the reaction is, come on, oxygen reaction will be what here? In product side you have multiplied it by 2. So the reaction will become what? SO2 plus H2S giving rise to S plus 2H2O. 2H2O. Now see, what got disturbed here? Is sulfur balanced? No. Is hydrogen balanced? Hydrogen, 2 atoms on reactant side, 2 2s are 4 atoms on product side. Okay. So we will take hydrogen now. In reactant, in product, initially to balance. In reactant, how many hydrogen atoms are there? To balance oxygen atom, we disturbed hydrogen atom here. In reactant it is 2, in product it is 4. So to balance, I have to multiply hydrogen in reactant side by 2. Therefore, the reaction is, come on, SO2. In reactant side I have multiplied by 2. In reactant side plus 2H2S giving rise to S plus 2H2. So 2 2s are 4, 2 2s are 4, oxygen balanced, remaining is sulfur now. Okay, sulfur. Sorry, this is step 2. This is now step 3, sulfur. Reactant and product. Initially to balance. Initially in reactant, how many atoms of sulfur are there? In reactant it is S plus 2S, 3 atoms in reactant, and in products 1. To balance, 1 multiplied by 3. Therefore, reaction is SO2 plus 2H2S giving rise to, in product I have multiplied sulfur by 3 plus 2H2O. See whether it is balanced now. S 1 plus 2 3 product 3 done. Oxygen 2 product 2 done. 2 2s are 4 hydrogen, 2 2s are 4 hydrogen. Over. Job is over here. ठीक है मुलाना. Take the next one now. Example number, question number 7. Example number C. Wait. Number C. Reaction is silver solid plus HCl aqueous giving rise to silver chloride precipitate plus hydrogen gaseous. Huh? What we'll do here? Step 1. Element in reactant in product. Element is silver, hydrogen, chlorine. In reactant, silver is 1, product it is 1. Hydrogen it is 1, product it is 2. Chlorine 1, 1. So you need to balance only hydrogen. Hydrogen in reactant in product. Initially to balance. Initial in reactant, how many hydrogen atoms are there? Only 1. Here 2. So multiply by 2 on. Therefore reaction is, you have multiplied on reactant side for hydrogen by 2. So the reaction will be Ag plus 2HCl giving rise to AgCl plus H2. गडबडीत काय झालं? Chlorine got disturbed. So step 3. Chlorine in reactant in product. Initially to balance. Initially in reactant chlorine how much? 2. Product 1. 2. So you have to multiply it by 2 here. Come on. Therefore reaction is Ag plus 2HCl giving rise to, multiply Cl by 2. 2AgCl plus H2. What got disturbed again? Students, silver got disturbed. Again, here only 1 atom of silver is there, but here it is 2 atoms. Come on. Step 4 घ्यावी लागणार. शेपूट वाढत चालली आहे. हे बघा. आता काय घ्यायचं? Silver reaction is so tiny, but see, you go to balance one, the other is getting disturbed here. In reactant, in product, silver initially, this is the way you write, and to balance. Silver 1, here 2, so here I need to multiply it by 2 to keep it 2 here. Therefore reaction is 2Ag, because in reactant I have multiplied it by 2 plus 2HCl giving rise to 2AgCl plus H2. What is it? Is it balanced now? 2Ag, 2Ag, okay. Chlorine 2Cl, 2Cl, done. Hydrogen 2H, H2. Therefore the equation is balanced. This is how you get full 3 marks, students, if it comes for balancing. Practically this is all unnecessary lengthy method. By trial and error you can solve it in one step, but your textbook doesn't allow to us to do that. So we have to do all this long process. Look here, equation number D, NaOH, sodium hydroxide, aqueous, sulfuric acid, aqueous, giving rise to what? Sodium sulfate, Na2SO4 aqueous plus water. Check. element, step 1, element in reactant in product. Come on, elements are what? Sodium, oxygen, hydrogen, sulfur. Reactant sodium how many? 1. Product 2. Oxygen 1 plus 4 5. Here 4 plus 1 5. Thank God oxygen is balanced. Hydrogen 1 plus 2 3. Hydrogen only 2. Hydrogen is disturbed. What about sulfur? Sulfur 1, sulfur 1, already balanced. So what shall we do, students? We'll balance sodium first. Come on, step 2. Sodium in reactant, in product, sodium initially to balance. Initially how many sodium atoms are there in reactants? Come on, tell me. Only 1. And in product it is? So where shall I multiply by 2? Okay, look here. So the reaction will be 2NaOH plus, because I have multiplied sodium by 2 on the reactant side, plus H2SO4 giving rise to Na2SO4 plus H2O. Check the reaction whether it is balanced and then you go for the step number 3. Sodium balance, very good. Hydrogen 2 plus 2 4. Hydrogen got disturbed. चला हाइड्रोजन गया था. Step 3. Hydrogen in reactant, in product. Hydrogen initially, you have to take this reaction, not the beginning one, to balance. मुलं काय काय एक्सपेरिमेंट्स करतील ना, काय गॅरंटी नसते. You have to refer this reaction here. So hydrogen in reactant 2 plus 2 4 and here it is only 2. So 2 balance, I have to multiply here by 2. Come on, therefore reaction is, come on, 2NaOH plus H2SO4 giving rise to Na2SO4 plus 2H2O. Check whether it is correct or wrong. 2 hydrogen done, 2Na, Na2 done, oxygen 2 plus 4 6, 2 plus 4 6. Need not balance oxygen because it automatically got balanced. Therefore reaction is balanced. Only in step 3. Here see, such a easy reaction it was, but it involved 4 steps, and here it is. Actually the reaction is quite 3 elements are there which are unbalanced, but it got over in only 3 steps here. Are you okay, students? Fine. Here, okay. So here I will stop here with my video. We'll continue with the types of reactions in the next class. Students, topic is very lengthy, and after this I'll begin with the 4th topic only for the sake of your terminal exams. Okay? Because I think after Diwali they may take your terminal exam, students. So as far as my experience tells me, at least first 5 topics are there of each. Okay? एक ह्याचं सांगते, सायन्स 1चं सांगते. आय एम नॉट शुअर अबाउट सायन्स 2. सायन्स 2 वॉट एव्हर दे टीच दे आस्क. Okay, we'll stop, students. Bye.